So let's start. As you can see my thumbnail, so you will get idea what we are going to do. So first of all, what we will do, we will create one instance like this. So where it is, like this, and we will install Nginx and one template of HTML file, and we will allow some port which need by Nginx. We will allowing here. Also we will allowing port 2022, and we can easily uh, open this into new tab and running website whatever we want, whatever we have uploaded. Simple, something like this. Yeah. So launch instance, put here any name of your website name, like I put here site. Select any AMI image, like I will choose here Amazon Linux. Okay, so that is a free tier eligible. Okay, so that should be in default. All it is in the free tier. So T2 micro, it is in the free tier. So this is the key pair. You will see only this proceed without key pair something I have created through create here, and put any name and select this and create. I already created, so I won't create again. So click on edit. These are the default. Here you will choose and create a security group, like I will type here site sg. Both are required, so put it same. So let's scroll down. This is the inbound security group roles. So if you see here, this is a type ssh. Okay, so port tcp, port range 22, and it is accessible from anywhere. Basically in the industry we have to put only my IP, because it is crucial things. Okay, so for now I am doing anywhere. I am allowing port 80 because Nginx will need this. Now allowing anywhere, so others can access as well. So that's all. Launch instance. Yeah, click on instance. See, it is this is the site. This is initializing. Okay, so connect it. This is the username EC2. So click on connect simply. If you see 2x2 checks, it means completely start work running. Now it is still in initializing state, so wait for it. Yeah, so now we have to copy. I have already written some command. Just update sudo. I am become in a root user. Update. Why it takes time? Because of it is still in initializing state. Okay, it's done. So go with the second command. Let's install Nginx. Still it is done. Let's see status. So you will see here it is inactive and disabled. So we have to active and enable. So we should start now. What I did, I started Nginx and enabled Nginx. Let's say status. Yeah, this is now in active state. Okay, so if you see, this IP should point to Nginx. Okay, so what I next we have to do, we have to upload here in this path, means whatever the path uh, there where it is the file, like HTML file, welcome to and welcome to Nginx, we have to put there our HTML file, our website. So for that I have already template. This is a gym template. Okay, so this we have to copy under this content only. Let's see how do we do. The step is uh, we have created a one key pair. Remember what we will do. Firstly we have to load that pem file. So that pem file will be look like this, web pem. So you will select and open it, and the option will enable here save private key. Just save that private key, it will look like this one. After saving, I already did it, so I will not do it. Why I am doing this? Because we have to upload through this vn WinSCP file. Oh, software. Through this software we can enable, we can put that file into server easily using UI. Okay, so just copy this IP. This is the public IP. Username I already showed you, EC2 user. For password we have that private key. Okay, so just okay. Why we do need this file, that ppk file? Because we are entering into the server, so server is have a key pair thing. It's look username and password, so that file work like password. Okay, just remember for the secure knowledge. I am into the, so just put that file into temp place. This is the temp. What we have to do, we have to drag this folder to this one. It is a like cupcake, huh? So easy. Yeah, this is a file which is under the server. So now what we will do, we will cd temp. If you see, this is a zim folder where our content present. Okay, so what are the next step? What we are doing here is we are copying whatever the content under the gem folder, we are copying into this path. Why we are doing this? Because if I show you usr share nginx html, this is the content which is running here. I'm just deleting rm -rf asterisk. This is the command to delete everything, even if it is there any hidden file also. So I'm just putting that command here again. This is a simple command. cp means copy, simple, and -r, it's for recursive, and this is the source. This asterisk defined, we have to recursively access all the file and paste it here. Okay, just enter. So if you do ls here all the content come. Okay, if we put enter, it will take little bit time, so wait for it.